Add a paint into the selected part. Then we will choose the different color. That's the color. We will select another color. There is another shape. Different color there. Similarly, we will keep on editing. We have to choose the further shape. Again, we will change it.